As y'all can tell, I'm up early slapping my meat. Just slapping. Got my Borson garlic fine in herb dash salt free garlic and herb. Got this cedar plank. I'm gonna have to submerge this in water. But yeah, stay tuned, y'all. This was a 15-inch cedar plank, so I had to cut it down in order to fit. I got the salmon brining. This is your choice if you want to do this. Is up to you. I did 8 cups of water with 5 tablespoons of salt. Added some avocado oil and then seasoned it. Don't forget to add your pellets. All right, we're gonna set it to 225. Got it in there with my meat probe. Once the internal temperature reaches 100, you're gonna pull it out and put it on some Borson cheese. I'm gonna flip it the other way because I've noticed on the videos, it does cook hotter back there. So got her flipped over, put her towards the front too. All right, now what you're gonna do is hit temperature, 300. 135 internal, had to pull that bitch off.